Gander 9 Las Vegas Tower, caution, wake turbulence for the heavy 747, 1080 at 6, runway 1 left, quarter lane.
Question 1624, 2 right turns, Alpha 7 Alpha, back to Alpha 3.
Alpha 7 Alpha for Alpha 3 West. Thanks, get 566.
566, red contact, thank you.
Alpha.
Legion 74, contact Las Vegas departure, let me get the traffic in sight, we'll see him. For 3 Alpha Foxtrot with a good speed, traffic's 4 off of the left side, straight ahead there at Whiskey, cross runway 1 left without delay, 21-1 the other side.
Cross 1 left without delay, 221, 1 on the other side, 3 Alpha.
That was 2748, 1140 at 4, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Delta.
Sure, Prop Bravo Lima Kilo, turn left in November, turn left on Foxtrot, and ground 21-1.
Left on November, left on Foxtrot, Bravo Lima Kilo.
Keep ground 21-1.
21-1, Bravo Lima Kilo.
1735 Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up lane.
And 1735, 1 right, line up and wait.
1882, got Alpha 7.
Sir.
The 1882, 2 right turn, Alpha to Alpha 4.
Alpha to Alpha 4, United 1882.
Catwest 964 Echo Las Vegas Tower, 12603, runway 1 left, quarter lane.
Clear lane.
Altimeter 2998.
Loop floats in about of 1 left.
Who's reporting the balloon?
Janet 09. It's a big balloon and it's got something hanging from it, you know, like maybe a 5-foot diameter thing.
Roger that, Catwest 964 Echo, roger. There might be a weather balloon in that area, use caution.
We're looking to go with 964 Echo.
That is 1735, the wind is calm, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, United 1735.
Spirit Wings 155, Las Vegas Airport, United in sight, runway 1 right, line up lane.
1 right, line of wait, 2955.
Spirit Wings 155, report United in sight.
Cross runway 26 right at Alpha 3, taxi in and contact the ramp.
Switch cross 26 right, and we'll contact the ramp.
Wings 2955, I understand you do not have United in sight, thank you.
Say again?
Janet 09, continue down the taxiway November for me.
Get down to November, James 09, we'll expedite. 5 Alpha Romeo.
7 Tower.
Over speed 777.
Speed 777, traffic hold in position at Whiskey, cross runway 1 right, hold short runway 1 left.
Cross 1 right, hold short 1 left at Whiskey for over speed 777.
Janet 09, expedite clearing, traffic's 2 out, 21-1 as you exit.
Oh, 21-1 when we exit, we'll expedite Janet 09, clearing in November.
November 28, Prop Bravo Alpha, Las Vegas Tower, yep.
Okay, Alpha 4, cross 26 right, join Charlie, switch to ramp, United 1882.
566, leaving class Bravo airspace, rate of service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change is approved.
Squawk VFR for Care Flight 66, thank you.
Take departure.
Departure United 1735, see ya.
Wings 2955, 10103, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Spirit Wings 2955.
Spirit Wings 2512, Las Vegas Tower, report the company in sight, runway 1 right, line up wait.
1 right, line up and wait, company is in sight, Spirit Wings 2512. Tower Delta 714 is on the visual to 6 left, 170 assigned to 5 miles.
714, Las Vegas Tower, follow Sirius on the 6 mile final, wind 0303, runway 26 left, clear lane.
6 left, clear line, locate Delta 714.
Ground 1882, sir, you want a left turn or a right turn here on Charlie?
Should be a left turn there and switch to ramp.
You got it.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Spirit Wings 2512.
Spirit Wings 2512, maintain visual separation with the company.
And we'll maintain visual separation with company, Spirit Wings 2512.
Delta 405, Las Vegas Tower, report the bus in sight, runway 1 right, line up lane.
That's bus inside, line up and wait, 1 right, southwest, 47.
Skywest 964 Echo, double back on Alpha, or double back on Echo Sierra, hold short runway 1 right.
Double back on Echo Sierra, hold short of 1 right, Skywest 964 Echo.
Fairway 2955, contact departure.
Fairway 2955.